Science exam, passage 1. Question 1. Look at figure 2. The maximum beak depth for finches on both islands is 10. Answer D. Question 2. The text for study 2 tells you that small seeds are abundant in wet years. From figure 3, 1984 was the wettest year. Answer J. Question 3. The text says that only G. fortis were captured in study 2, so answer B is correct. Question 4. This one is just common sense. Obviously, they didn't want to keep capturing the same bird and measuring it. Answer J is correct. Question 5. Figure 3 shows that 1977 was a dry year. The text says that in dry years, the average size of seeds is larger. The text also says that birds with bigger beaks can eat bigger seeds. So answer C is correct. Question 6. Figure 2 shows that the beak depth has less variation for G. fortis birds on island B, where there is no competition, than on island A, where there is competition, and so answer F is correct. Passage 2. This is about the deposition of various substances into rain gauges by rain. Question 7. From figure 3, we can see that SO4 was a maximum in February and a minimum in July. The correct answer is D. Question 8. Look at figure 2. Since you cannot use a calculator on this part of the test, you have to estimate. Note that they don't ask you for an exact number, just a range. You can tell from the graph that the average has to be between about 50 and 75. So the correct answer is answer G. Question 9. From figure 3, we can see that 5 of the 6 winter months, as they defined winter, had greater chlorine deposition than any of the summer months. It's true that one of the winter months, December, had rather low deposition, but obviously the average of the winter was greater than the average of the summer. So the answer is A. Question 10 is simply a common sense question. If there was no rain, then nothing would be deposited in the rain gauge, and they wouldn't collect any of these substances. Correct answer is answer H. Question 11. Study 3 is the one that's concerned with deposition at different places. From figure 4, we can see that the deposition went down the farther the site was from the city for both copper and zinc.